up, my witches? This is Maya, and in this video, we are talking about the Cossack Squat. You gotta make lots of sound effects with this one too. So why do I love the Cossack so much? Cause damn, you gotta have some legit hip mobility, ankle mobility, knee strength, quad strength, hamstring strength, thigh strength, single leg strength, everything strength in order to do it. Plus, once you get it, you're gonna be able to work your end ranges and control it. So not only are you gonna be doing cool things, you're gonna be able to own that movement, and it's gonna help you squat better, move better, and feel better because everything's gonna be all loosey-goosey. Your hips gonna be opening, your legs gonna get stronger and stronger. Woo! It's like a workout right now. So I'm gonna show you a bunch of ways to regress it so that you can practice even without knowing how to do it, and then stay to the end. I'm gonna show you a really simple flow that you can learn how to do once you nail it so that you can move, feel, and move like a ninja. Cue the intro. Before we get started, please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And press the bell so that you don't miss any content. Okay, let's start at the very beginning. Check it out. Make sure if you don't have hip mobility, ankle mobility, please check out my tutorials. I've broken down almost every single joint for you, so go there, watch the mobility videos, get yourself a little bit more loosey-goosey. But the very first thing that you could do if you really are not flexible yet or have mobility yet is grab a chair. So let's say we're training the left leg to be able to move into that position. I want you to line yourself in front of the chair to the side of it, and all you're gonna do is stand in a really wide stance, and you're gonna lean into it, and then you're gonna sit on the edge of that chair, just like that. Come back to square out, and then lean. What this does is it's stretching the inner thighs, plus it's opening the hips, and you're at a chair level. So this is really good for beginners, and you're gonna become more aware of your positioning of your toes and your ankles. So as you're doing this, I want you to bring your attention, where are your toes? Is your tracking, make sure your knees are tracking over your toes, lean into it, and chill, sit down. So I would do 15 reps, repeat 3 times, and then repeat, switch it up on the other side. So when I want to do this leg, wide stance, gangsta lean, and sit. Woo! Bam! Regression number 2 is we are going to start learning how to do lateral lunges. So, nice tall upright posture, zip up the rib cage, grab your toes, take your knees over your toe, and you're going to just alternate sides. So this is gonna get those nice strong quad muscles, it's gonna strengthen those knees, it's gonna keep opening up those hips, and it's gonna get you used to moving in the frontal plane. So laterally, while maintaining your spine upright. So you don't wanna be bending over. Here you might not be able to go as low, just practice it up here. Focus on keeping the rib cage tight, tuck the tailbone slightly underneath you so that you get that nice posterior pelvic tilt, and you can engage your pelvic floor muscles a lot more and your core a lot more. So that's all I want you to do. Now, over time, as you get stronger just doing the lateral lunges, work on going a little bit deeper. So, get back to center, go a little bit deeper. Each time making sure the knees are tracking over the toes, and get yourself back up. So this is gonna work that ankle dorsiflexion. See how my tibia, shin bone goes over my ankle, and that's what you need when you eventually drop it down like a Cossack squat. Once you're good in that, level 3 is the constant tension lateral lunges. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're not gonna stand right back up, we're gonna slowly slide ourselves over to the other side. So what this does is it's gonna train those adductors and abductors to get super strong. You're gonna get those hip opening action. Continually, you're gonna be strengthening your leg muscles and the ankle mobility and hip mobility all at the same time. So, progression Regression number 4 is just the constant tension shift. Okay, that burns. For the 5th regression is you can use an assistance. An assist? You can use a TRX. I don't have an anchor right now. You can use a bar. You can use a pole. Whatever you got that you can hang on to help you stabilize your body while you practice your constant tension lateral lunges. Because I don't have that, I just want to show you what I would do with just an assistance here, like a chair, a bar, a table. So I'm just using it to grab on, and that allows me to hit a deeper range, go a little bit deeper. It takes a little bit of tension off my upper body, so I could use it to push off of, to just focus on getting my depth and to work on my lower body strength. Once you feel comfortable using the pole or the bar or the bands as an assistance, and then you want to get a little bit lower, you can use some type of elevated surface. So the chair, remember, was a little bit too high. That's for super beginner. As you get better, find a surface that's a little bit lower. So you can stack up a bunch of yoga blocks. I've got a med ball here that works out really well. I've also got a yoga block, so I can decrease my height more and more as I get better and stronger. So all you would do is the same thing. Wide stance, lean, and then sit on the ball. Reset, lean, sit on that elevated surface you have. So what you would do is you want to make sure your knees are rotated out a bit. You don't want to be caved in, out. And everything here is set. You got a nice straight line here. Toes are pointing diagonally with the knees and back up to center. So that's way better than having to hit all the way down to the ground, which is the very end goal. So as you get good with that, slowly, over time, decrease your height a little bit more. So I'll show you what it looks like with the yoga block. So nice wide stance. Woo! Oh, there it is. I was wondering where that block is. So, boom, get back. It helps a lot. And from here, you can really start training your body to be comfortable and not freak out with the end ranges, because you know you have a safety net and you know you'll be just fine. As you get stronger and stronger and deeper in your Cossacks, you might find that you're still struggling with the ankle mobility, meaning your heel is still coming off the ground when you try to hit those end ranges. A really easy fix to that is to put a couple of books down. So one book, a plate, whatever you've got that can elevate your heel, and then go ahead, stand on it, get the heel up, and from here, when you go into your Cossack squat, you might find it's way easier because you might be lacking that ankle mobility. So this is just a quick fix, okay? The end goal is to have that nice dorsiflexion in our ankles, which go check out the ankle mobility video and get yourself there. But this is really good just to train everything else. So hips, knees, quad, until you get your ankles to stiff, to bar, to bend. You've done the work, you've done the regressions, now you're feeling good. You can bang out full on, full depth Cossack squat, where your butt touches the ground, where you can actively, with control, bring yourself back up to center. What do you do to level it up? You can add some weight, okay? So you can definitely hold some dumbbells, stack them up. Now, I would definitely not recommend adding weights unless you are totally ready and you can own this movement without any type of weight, okay? If that's too easy, you can put a barbell, a 45-pound barbell across your back, and go ahead and do the same thing. The flow that I want to teach you is so fun and Ninja style, because you're gonna go boom, wide stance, Cossack squat, boom, hip internal rotation, up, fly over, lizard lunge. Yo, I'm sweating. So let's do that again over here slowly. Cossack squat, drop the butt, take the knee, turn it inwards, get back up, and then into a deep lunge. This is a total body move. Let me do that again seamlessly. And one more. So my lunges, this is what your body can do when you train it and when you give it a challenge and you keep on pushing yourself, okay? I believe in you, I know you can do it. Give those regressions and progressions a try and let me know when you start flowing like that. This is your girl Maya. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I love hearing from you. And check out the description box. I have a bunch of freebies in there that you can have. And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to check me out over there. Everything's under Move with Maya. I'll see you here every Tuesday. Yo, I can't breathe. And every Friday.